Independent Norton legislator Temba Mliswa has lashed out at ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa, accusing him of using recent attacks on businessman Tagwirei to eliminate perceived political rivals in his bid to ascend to the ruling party's top leadership. Sandavana mashoko kuda panguva ina kwanza Mliswa tears into Mutsvangwa over Tagwirei attack. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. In a tweet posted Tuesday, Mliswa claimed Mutsvangwa harbors ambitions of leading ZANU-PF and sees both Vice President Chiwenga and Tagwirei as major threats to his political aspirations. Mutsvangwa harbors ambitions of being ZANU-PF leader and sees both the VP Chiwenga and Tagwirei as stumbling blocks to the realization of that dream. The spirited press conferences against Tagwirei are an opportune moment for him to decimate the figure of one of his supposed opponents, Mliswa tweeted. Mutsvangwa recently launched a scathing public attack on Tagwirei, accusing the fuel mogul of attempting to buy influence within the party and maneuver his way into the powerful Central Committee. His remarks sparked fierce debate within and outside ZANU-PF, with many interpreting the move as part of a broader succession struggle. Tagwirei, who is believed to enjoy close ties with President Mnangagwa, has long been viewed as a shadowy but a powerful player in Zimbabwean politics with strong business interests linked to key state sectors. Mliswa comments add fuel to growing speculation that Mutsvangwa's actions are politically motivated and part of a factional push to weaken figures associated with Mnangagwa's inner circle and those aligned to Vice President Chiwenga, who is also tipped as a strong contender in the race to succeed Mnangagwa. The president is currently serving what is constitutionally his final term, unless a controversial referendum clears the way for another run, a scenario that is heightened internal contestations for the future leadership of the ruling party. Domashukaribu pangwa ino tiona aiwa Mliswa anu pangwa ino aiwa achipindira panhau ya Mutsvangwa na Tagwirei. Pangwa ino achiti aiwa mashoko Mutsvangwa akanga ari politically motivated. Pinha comment section medu mbutidze mafunguro emu tikudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa, musana subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.